Assalamu alaikum दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussion about my topic name है vsich.com. vsich.com high performance virtual private server with prices starting at a 3 euro. vpsag.com aims to provide a fast and the simple to use hosting experience that delivers great value and the powerful future. Configure, order, and the dual pay is a packages plan. Is a started packages plan. Is the 3 euro to per month. Is the CPU core is the 1 and the 2 GB RAM and the disk space and the 20 GB backup is the included and the bandwidth is the 3 bit TB. Uh, SMTP is blocked. Is a monthly. Second plan is 7 euro per month and details this package plan. CPU core is 2 and the RAM 4 GB and the disk space and 15 GB and the backup include and the bandwidth is 7 TB. Is the largest and the highest price is the package. This platform is the 17 euro. Is the core for CPU is the RAM 8 GB, disk space 100 GB included, and the 15 bandwidth is the 25 TB. Is the location. European Union is the most trending topics in the normal usage of a package is the 17 euro is the highest is the packages of the 18 euro with month is the core CPU is the 16, RAM is the 64 GBs and the disk space is the 400 GBs and the backup included and the bandwidth is the with the benefit of the 15 TB is the highest speed of the bandwidth with the is topics add a glance in the cloud based in the interface infrastructure in the our cloud hosting platforms makes it easy for you to the blend applications and the websites on a fast and the reliable services designed to the support heavy enterprise workloaded 24 by 7 customer care services. We are offer professional customer services that provide solutions to customers when needed to the ensure you the VPS is the always is the online premium hardware to the is ensure is the maximum performed and the reliable of the VPS platform is the built only with the premium hardware is the made by Dell. High performance Nevium hosting is the virtual server is hosted on a full Nevium platform is thus ensuring the fastest available on the market today. Is the IPv6 is a ready we offer is a native and on our the entire network infrastructure and the each of our VPS has a IPv6 enabled on top of that we offer at a free 64 IPv6 is a subnet of the every VPS multiple or is the templates you can the choice from a wide array of the different distributions that can be deployed in the maximum 20 minutes. We are expert and the visualizations improvements and the enterprises system administrations. Our main business's goal is to provide high quality VPS hosting with the continuously improving our services and the customer experience. We do not is the oversell our nodes as we believe it is the better to provide a highest quality VPS services at the affordable rate instead to of the providing and the unreliable and the unstable is the services at the lower rate that are the unstable for us. Our nodes are the monitored 24 by 7 and our NOC teams react instantly to the performance decoration of the technical problem. All the prices shown on our website are the VTR exclusives. Thanks for watching my video. We can see you in next part of my video. Okay, bye. Allah Hafiz.